What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Flowtech hotend. We've already done it actually in my last video. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll explain some of the stuff, but I really recommend going to that and taking a look. So last video we installed the hotend. Today we're going to be checking out the max flow rate that it's capable of. It's got a slightly longer nozzle than the stock hotend, so hopefully that will result in a much higher, or not a much higher, it's only a little bit longer, but hopefully it'll result in a slightly higher flow rate for the device. So stay tuned. We're going to go in and calculate the results, and I'll show y'all how to do that here in just a moment. So today we're just comparing the results of the max flow tests of the two hotends I have for the K1. And so we're gonna start with the standard hotend. It's just a standard hotend with a hardened steel tool head and really nothing fancy to it. So we have the start value of 5 cubic millimeters per second, end value of 25. So the way you measure this is you start at the bottom and then you measure it up to where you start having issues. So I'm gonna kind of pick out this part right here where you can see the under extrusion. Looking like 36. And then we plug it into the formula, which will, I'll kind of just pop up here in a second, and we'll get the results. So five plus 23. So I measured out 36, 39.4 technically, but we'll round up. So 5 plus 36 times 0.5, which is just half, so 18. So 5 plus 18 is 23, so a max volumetric flow of 23 cubic millimeters per second. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Now this one has different parameters. I wrote them down here. We started at 10 cubic millimeters per second, moved our way up to 30, and step stayed the same at 0.5. So looking at this, we kind of just started seeing issues right around here, so we'll go just to there. And that really does look like the earliest that we see issues is this layer right here. So we're going to go to there. $33.5. That is looking like 26.75, so about 27. Let's remeasure here just to be sure. Maybe 34.5. Now it's 34.5. Yeah, so about 27. So not too much better on the max flow rate, but if you're all about speed, you might consider going to the Flowtech.